Hello everyone, I am Too Cryptic. This is my bedroom. Ignore the shoes and the piano in the corner. And totally don't compliment me on my vinyl setup. Don't do that. This is my bedroom. And as you can see, what is finally here, Digital Storm PC. It's only been 2 months. It's only been 2 months since I placed the order. That is not that long at all. It's fine. So what we're gonna do today is we're gonna do a bad unboxing, and I don't know how to do that. I don't have any bits for this. So, all right, so we're gonna open this box with what I can only describe as the largest knife this side of the Mississippi, and let's go. Wow, look at that knife go. True craftsmanship here. You know, working hard. Here we go. All right, I'll write some bits for the next bad unboxing video, I swear. Oh my God, it's a feral cat. He's going mad. What's he doing? What's he chasing? Hey, buddy. All right, let's keep going towards the PC. Again, the work of a awe-inspiring knife here. That's not a knife. This is a knife. Hi, Casper. Let's go. This side up. All right. Oh, here we go. So, what do we got? A little clip thing, some tape. Oh, that's cool. Accessory box. What's in this accessory box? Ooh. Guys, I graduated college. Oh no, I just own a computer. That's just as good, right? Quick start guide. That's a power cable. What do you know? It's some other stuff. Looks like a Wi-Fi extender. Yeah, Wi-Fi 6. And then some other stuff. Is that our USB backup drive? Probably our USB backup drive, our Windows. We gotta keep this for future employers. This is very, very important for our future employers here. Oh look, it's Casper, he's back. Hey buddy, what you doing? All right, let's go. Ooh, we got the packaging. So close. All right, so it is in here in a way that I cannot take it out with one hand. So I'm gonna pause the video and then we're gonna come back after I get this on the desk, all right? All right, so I lifted it up out of the box like that. We got a Digital Storm mouse pad. So I'm gonna now take these soft things off. I'm gonna use 2 hands to do that as well. Oh wow, look at those super sexy tattoos. How did those get there? All right, everyone, this is the moment of truth. We have waited 2 months for this moment. Let's take a look at the brand new PC. Uh-oh. This little string is caught. Whoops. All right, now that string is uncut. Boom, big plastic bag. In it, hell yeah, protecting all the vital components. Let's take that out. All right, here is the moment of truth. It's a weird foam thing. Oh. Ooh. Look at those guts. Good Lord. That sounded really gross. I'm very sorry for that. I apologize. Dang, this is put together really well, it looks like. We got the M2 drive in there. Got some RAM. I'll put on all the specs on screen right now for you guys. I upgraded the cooler to a 2-fan water cooler. I upgraded the motherboard from the stock one. Oh, look who's back. Hey, little guy. How you doing? Are you doing good? Are you having a good time in the video? Casper. Hello, buddy. That's our new PC. Okay, no. Don't get any hair in there, little fella. Little fella, don't get any hair in there. Don't get any hair in there. You're a good boy. Let's get the glass case back on so my cat doesn't get hair in there. Hello, guy. Do you know you're precious? Do you know that you're precious? Casper. Are you being a precious little guy? What's up, little buddy? Hi. All right, everyone, I've got the glass back on with the foam out of it. So what I'm gonna do now is go through and set up all of the keyboard peripherals, whatever they're called, the keyboard, the screen, the mouse, and then we will get to the valve index. So let's go, let's set this up, let's turn it on, press the on button, and then we'll start unboxing the valve index. All right, everyone, it is finally set up, and we are about to turn it on. The moment of truth. Let's go. Oh my God. Oh, I should turn the lights off for this one. Hey, Casper. Look at those lights. I think Casper likes it. Hey, buddy. What's going on over there? What is it? The crazy lights? Oh, here we go. Oh my God, that's crazy. Let's go. We got a new PC. Content is gonna be crazy now. This is gonna be awesome. Thank you all so much for your support. Would not have been possible without each and every one of you. Seriously, you guys are all amazing. That's the setup. It's done. It's ready to go. We're ready to film, Casper. We're ready to film. You guys, I'm so freaking excited to get this set up. So let me log in, sign up, and then we're gonna unbox the valve index next. Thank you so much for watching. All right, everyone. I have my account set up now. I've got Ghost of Tabor downloaded, and we are now gonna move to the valve index. I'm so excited. Let's just take a quick look at the crazy lights going on in here. I'm so hyped, guys. I'm so freaking excited for this. Can't wait to play a bunch of more games on stream and for videos. We're gonna play Half-Life Alyx now. We got a valve index. All right, let's open it up. All right, it has been 2 months since I put this order in. So the valve index showed up a lot sooner than the PC. It showed up like 5 days after I ordered it. So I did get a little impatient and I did open it already, but we're still gonna have a look at it here today for the video. Here it is, boys. Valve index. Let's go. I haven't been able to run it yet because I don't have a computer with a display port. Or at least I didn't have a display port until I got this massive beast. So for anyone who is unaware, this entire channel has been built on this beautiful, beautiful laptop right here. And it's a tiny 14-inch laptop, and the entire channel was built off of this thing. So absolutely gorgeous, absolutely beautiful that we got this brand new PC that everything's gonna run off of with our valve index. Let's take a better look at it. I'm so excited to get it set up and running. We're gonna record our first videos here pretty soon. We got the valve index controllers, which looks so sick. I'm so excited, y'all. This is such a great setup. All right, let's go. Out of the box, we are ready to go. I'm so stoked, y'all. This is amazing. Thank you all so much for the support. Seriously, this would not have been possible without you guys. So thank you so much for the watch time and everything. Can't wait to start pumping out content with this brand new setup, and I hope that you guys enjoy everything that's gonna come out of this channel, because I'm so excited to double down and start pumping out content with this new setup. So stoked, y'all. Let me know what you want to see. We're definitely playing Half-Life Alyx now. We got this valve index. We're definitely playing Half-Life Alyx. Y'all ready for some Half-Life Alyx? I know I am. All right, remember, love yourself always. Take care of yourself, no matter what, because you're worth it. And I hope to see each and every one of you in the next video.
I'm sorry, Dave. I'm afraid I can't do that. This mission is too important for me to allow you to jeopardize it.
Destroy the child. Corrupt them all.
Are you serious?
You know how much I sacrificed?
This is torture. You're torturing me and everyone else watching.
So have you ever done DMT?